Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Today we are talking sea salt shimmer spray. I saw this online and I was like, ooh, summer's coming and nothing's like a good shine on your hair and maybe a little shimmer. So it is by Captain Blankenship and I got it in rose gold. You get 4 ounces and it retails for $28. It comes in 2 colors, Golden Waves and Rose Gold Sunset. And the person at the store told me that rose gold would look better and show up better on darker hair. Let me tell you about it. It is an organic sea salt hairspray that goes on golden with added mica for gorgeous shimmer. It adds life, shine, and strength to tresses of any color. Atlantic sea salt adds texture and gentle beach waves to hair. Organic aloe vera adds moisture and light hold to hair. Organic sea kelp extract is naturally rich in beneficial minerals and vitamins that nourish both hair and scalp. Organic essential oils. You guys see a trend here? Organic. Organic essential oils of rose geranium and palmarosa create a delicious beachy rose scent. Natural gold mica adds subtle golden shimmer. So you spray it generously all over your hair when wet or dry. You tousle and style. Natural separation of mica will occur. Shake well before use. Okay, this is free of sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, silicone, and talc, and it's also free of fragrances. And it's also cruelty free, which is great. So let's talk about it. I have it in my hair now, and I don't think I sprayed enough. So I'm gonna spray some more, but basically this is a glass bottle. It's a lot that comes in here. And the rose gold just looks so pretty. It does. But right now I sprayed about 6 or 7 sprays in my hair, and my hair is soft. It didn't take away the softness of my hair that my hair normally has. By the way, yes, I do have some product in here already, so this isn't the only thing on it. So let's put some more. Because to be honest, I'm going to show you pictures, and I see the shine. I just don't see the glitter in there or the shimmer. So I'm adding more. It smells like sea, like water, sea, and like when you're at the beach and you're not like Gulf of Mexico beach, you know, that clear, beautiful water. Not that smell. That Atlantic. It doesn't smell great. So I would probably add something over it. Yeah, it doesn't have a great smell to me, but that's just me. And so put it in my hair. I can see the shine. It didn't give me a glittery like shimmer type of feel. It gave me more of a shine. I don't know. I was looking for it to give me like a rose gold color shimmer type of thing, but it gives me a nice shine, and that's still nice. And maybe my hair is just too dark, you know, for this. But it also did not get on my clothes, which is nice. So it didn't fall. But yeah, if anything changes throughout the day, I, of course, will put an update in the description. So I hope this helps you guys figure out if it's something you want to try. Maybe if you have lighter hair or just want a shine, that this gives you a really pretty shine. Just the smell is not that great to me. So let's put something over it. But yeah, so just because something may not work great for me doesn't mean it won't work great for you. So, and the best part, guys, one of the best parts to me is that this didn't make my hair feel bad. You know how sometimes you put stuff in it, especially if you're talking about salt. You put it in and you feel like, is there sand in my hair? No, it it actually gave me some texture, and I think that's what it was meant to do. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing weekend. Bye. Yeah, I don't I don't need this, but I wish it gave me that rose gold type of shimmery tint, which I don't know if my hair is too dark or could be user error. But I use quite a bit of the bottle, you see? So yeah.